Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary. A very warm welcome to all of you to our new program, Teri Meri. In this program, we are going to bring different inspiring young personalities. And today, we are here with the same inspiring personalities. She is a 15-year-old girl. And the most impressive thing about her is she is a bookaholic. And till the time, she has come across around 2,000 books. Yes, guys, 2,000 books. So please welcome our today's guest, Ananya Joshi.
Thank you so much.
So without taking much time, let's start. Ananya, 2,000 books. It's such a great achievement. And how do you choose a book? Are you attracted by its cover or it is a recommendation by it? Or what?
Actually, both. Sometimes it also depends on my interest. So I'm more of a person who likes to read history and mystery books and all of that. So sometimes I would just, search on Amazon, whichever book I can find. Majority of them are recommendations or gifts. So
Yeah, that's great. It mostly depends on our interest. So, as you are in 10th standard now and you have to go parallel to your studies with your interest in reading books, so how much time are you dedicating to read books?
reading, I think with studies going on, I would get like around a 15-20 minutes break. So I would prefer reading in that. I don't like reading in like, a stretch, maybe 1-2 hours, because I feel a little reading is good in a way. So I have my 45-50 minutes time on my swing where I sip tea and I have reading with me.
Approx how many days do you dedicate to read books?
Yeah, it actually depends on how interesting the book is. I might also read at night. Majority of the books that I finished is at night. So
Oh,
it
so where do you prefer? Yeah, where do you prefer to read a book at night?
in my
Your
room
favorite
with
place?
in my room. My room is my favorite place.
Yeah, it's comfort zone, right?
Yes, completely.
Due to advanced technology, ebooks are uploaded, and today's generation is getting more into ebooks and all. So why do you prefer hard copies instead of ebooks?
Well, I have this belief that technology is already damaging our eyes with so much of phone and screen time. And plus, I feel everyone has that mindset that when everything is available online, why do you want to make an effort to go and purchase a book? But I feel purchasing a book and holding it in your hand and reading it gives you a different satisfaction. And I just love the smell of book. That's why I like paperback.
Yes. So why in this during this pandemic and during this lockdown, how do you manage where hard copies of books were not available?
I reread all the books that I had. I just thought of rereading the books that I liked reading. So I passed my time with that, and it was not that I was dedicating also so much of time to reading because all the school assignments and everything. So
Yeah, means you are going parallel to both studies and reading books, right? So, have you ever thought that if you get a chance that you have to get exit of your book?
yes, I think I would do that because I think reading right now, in a way, is very important for everyone to know about, and you get some or the other reading knowledge or something that you might have a question about through reading. And I think if I could, put up an exhibition, so people, I think you would have a variety of books which they can look up to and they can pick up whichever they like to read.
Do you want your favorite author to visit that
Completely,
exhibition?
but I think I'll have to call her from US.
Oh, who is your favorite author?
J.K. Rowling anytime, and I just love Harry Potter. I'm still that Harry Potter person. And I would also like Indian authors. I recently started reading books from them. I would like Amish, very good author, even Savi Sharma.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm. And our audience have some questions that they want you to that just mention that sometimes while reading books we get attached to a character with whom we can connect ourselves, and then for 2 or 3 days or a week we get thoughts regarding. Have you experienced like this?
No, not with a book. I've not experienced that, but I think movies or series will create a better impact on my head. I would be stuck in that character for like a week. If it happens.
Yes, that everyone watches movies and they watch because they can entertain themselves. Have you ever get nightmares to watch a horror movie?
Never. I love horror movies. Any type of horror movie, I just love them. So I don't get nightmares. And I don't like reading horror books because I think more than reading horror books, movies are much better.
Yes, but मैं तो जब horror movie या horror scene आता है तो I used to take pillow with me so that I can just put on my face when the horror scene is going on. So Deep also wants that if a person doesn't read a book, so which book do you recommend him? Recommend a person to initiate reading, to start reading books, and he or she can get interest in reading.
Again, I think I would say even well movies. Why do we pick watching movies? Because that genre is something that we are interested into. And I think for a person who has just started reading or just want to start reading, I think it will be better if they pick up a book which a movie has been made on. So I think that will be very much relatable to them. So they can start with Harry Potter. Even a series would do. Even the Vampire Diaries. Um, yeah, so there's a book on that that's also very good if they want to start off with reading. So it has a mixture of everything. So maybe they can pick that up.
ओ सो आप ऐसा कहना चाहती है कि फर्स्ट मूवीज देखें या फिर फर्स्ट टू रीड बुक इज प्रिफरेबल?
I think एक बार ही books पढ़ के देखो because sometimes they do change a few things in the books to make it mystical and interesting. तो आई थिंक पहले जिन पे बुक्स और मूवीज बनी है ना, पहले यू कैन रीड दैट, पहले बुक्स पढ़ के देखो, फिर आपको मूवीज आपको समझ में आ जाएगा.
Yes, correctly said. Can a book can change anyone's mindset or thoughts?
Yes, it can. It
That's for you. So have you experienced like that,
um,
that a book changed your behavior or changed your life?
not that drastically, but I think I recently read Immortal Talks, which was a gift to me. And
Yes.
there are, I think, a few questions that I think every person will have in their mind, something related to life or something that they personally think about or they believe in. So few questions like that we have cannot be answered, but few of them did get answered through that book. So it did make me like a better person through that. So I think a bit of a change did happen.
Yes, that's great. As you read so many books with different character, are you inspired to write about any character or a book? For example, Ravan, as you have mentioned in one of your reviews.
I think I was inspired to write about Akbar since it's history, and like history never, it's never true. We cannot really find out whether it's true until and unless we don't have like a time machine, so we can't do that. So there are facts that we pick up from everywhere, and I think there are few facts that I know, few facts that have been proven. So I thought of writing about that.
So, which type of book do you prefer to read?
More of it which is related to history and some things maybe about thriller or suspense.
Ananya, we always play a game with our guests, which is called rapid fire round.
Okay.
And in this round, I will ask you some questions in which you have to tell us the first word coming in your mind
Okay.
in 5 seconds only.
Okay.
Okay then. Ready?
Yeah.
Your hobbies,
Traveling and music and reading.
your passion,
Mm, nothing. I can't think right now.
your favorite sports game.
I don't play sports.
Never.
No, I used to be a good athlete, but then I just thought that it was too tiring. So
But you can still try.
mm, I can think about it.
If you could be a flavor of ice cream, which flavor would be?
Butterscotch.
You loved this?
Love it. Even I think even more than chocolate, I love it.
Where will you go if you get a power to be invisible?
Mm, I would just travel anywhere. Anywhere. I would go anywhere.
Anyway,
Yeah, anywhere. I think if I had to go out of this country right now and if somebody gave me that power, I would be happy enough to go out.
yes, that I also need that power.
Yeah.
We wish we
Everyone
have that
needs that.
power.
Everyone needs it.
Yeah. Can you please share something about Ananya's Essential, right?
Yes, correct. I started a channel like I think in May, and it was just because something that I wanted to do. And I think the main reason was because I was getting super bored at home and I had nothing to do. So I was inspired watching other YouTube videos and thought of, making a channel of my own with books so that I could maybe just inspire anyone to read.
Right. I have mostly watched your all videos. The book
Thank you.
reviews, your reviews were very much exciting, right? It inspires us to read that book.
I'm happy that it can inspire anybody to read. I think it feels so good, learning that somebody would be inspired to read.
Yes. Sometimes it happens कि बहुत पॉपुलर बुक होती है बट आपको पसंद ना आई हो, ऐसा हुआ है?
बहुत बार. It's not compulsory कि आपको जो भी आप book पढ़ो, you just you like it. It has happened many a times.
It depends on our pasand. It depends on our interest and all, right?
Yes.
As you said, you love Harry Potter. And in fact, there are many movies which are made from storybooks. What
Yeah.
do you prefer more, to read books or watch movies?
Tough question. Can I pick both actually? I can't
Yes,
really
you can.
choose.
But what do you prefer first?
I think if I were really forced to choose, I might pick movies because it will just end in 2 hours, whereas books it will take time, 2 days maybe, but I think 2 hour movies preferable to me.
Just short time, right? What's your future plan? What do you want to be in future?
Well, I don't know about that. Even with our friends, whenever we talk, there are a lot of
Right.
things that they ask, what do you want to do aage jaake, kya karna hai, and all that. But my answer has always been that I don't know. And the reason that I don't know is maybe because I'm not very sure. The only plan that I have right now is to pass 10th happily. I think The only thing that I plan right now is to get good grades. आगे का आगे देखेंगे.
सही बात है. जब हम भी 10th में थे तो हमें भी ऐसा होता था कि बस 10th पास हो जाए, बट आगे जाके भी फिर अब ऐसा होता है कि अब हाँ 12th पास कर दे हम.
आगे जाके कॉलेज का भी यही होगा.
यही हर बार ऐसा होता है, लेकिन खत्म तो होता नहीं है. बट
कभी.
इट्स अमेजिंग.
Sorry.
School life is amazing.
It
School
is.
life
It is.
amazing. Yes, we'll miss those days.
Definitely.
Please share something about Sudha Murthy, whatever you feel about her and her story.
I'm sorry I didn't get you.
सुधा मूर्ति है, उनके बारे में आप फील क्या करते हैं कि आप वो कैसे उनका बिहेवियर एंड हर स्टोरी बुक्स लाइक.
Sudha Murthy, I must say, she's a very good author. And well, I went to Crossword and I just bought one of her books. I think it was 2 years back, The Golden Temple, if I'm not wrong. That was a book that I really loved, her writing, because that time I was more into reading Harry Potter and other books by, foreign authors and all that. So I wouldn't pay much attention to Indian authors, and I'm still, reading majority of it. So I have read 2 books other than that, and they were okay to me. I didn't grasp interest in that so much. So yeah.
ग्रेट. तो आप वो जो गोल्डन टेम्पल बुक है, तो आप वो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा कुछ डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं?
2 साल पहले पढ़ी थी, याद रखना मुश्किल है.
Something.
Yeah, I think like there's this little girl who goes to the village, and there's this huge Shiva carving temple that is subdued under the ground. So it's just, like people finding that out, and like it's just about that, like a golden temple with so many beliefs of people and the moon and something magical, fantastic.
Yeah, I think I have read that book, but
Yeah.
title is something
Yeah.
different.
Yes.
Do you like to read imaginary stories?
Majority of the books are fictional stories, so yeah.
Great. And do you like the book smell
The
of
book
the
was-
book, new book?
I
Book
still
smell.
can't. Yeah, the smell. Yeah,
smell.
I do.
Right.
I do.
Yes. Old one or new one?
Both, because books are something that you don't really throw away, and even after years, if you've gone out for a very long time, something like that, then you come back and you look at the big pile of books aside, and I think every book has a different smell, and yeah, both of them.
I also love the book or a new book game. I used to take a book and just
Yeah, I'd have to say that we smell the book, so I thought few of them might find it very weird. That's why I do.
yes, मेरी मम्मी भी हमेशा ऐसा कहती है. It happens. Is there one book which you so long, but you still remember the story and you love that book?
Long ago, I read. I still remember the story of 13 Reasons Why, and I read this Patala Prophecy, and I still love that book.
Right. Can you describe, please?
Patala Prophecy?
Some didn't get the title, that's why.
Okay, right?
Right.
Yeah, so that book is basically about a boy who doesn't know about his life in heaven. His father was I think, yeah, he was some priest there and he died. And so there's this whole story whose life was all perfect, all normal, and then he went back down to something that it was kept hidden to him. It's a story about that.
Oh, which is your most favorite book? Means you can read it so many times, read again and again.
Hmm. A lot of them. I think right now, Immortal Talk and Harry Potter.
Okay, yeah. Harry Potter is famous.
Harry Potter is famous.
Incident in Harry Potter book that you will never forget.
In Harry Potter, where there are so many incidents, a lot of them. But I think my favorite one was when they were going to school. The first movie, the first part of Harry Potter, when they were going and Harry didn't know anything. It was like all a new magical world to him, and where he found Ron. So that,
Hmm. Hmm. If you are not feeling good or you are sad, what's the first thing you will do to change your mood?
music,
I too love music.
yes,
It
music is
makes
something
us,
everyone
yes,
loves.
yes, everyone loves music. I, wow, Ananya, it was really great talking to you. And thank you so much. And you inspired us a lot to start reading books. And we are looking forward to read a book written by you. I am really thankful to our amazing audience for joining us. And last but not the least, a heartfelt thank to our Baukun School management for providing us such a great stage to meet such inspiring personalities. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay tuned to our Radio Baukunj.